Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma hak arpnyo trek kulalengkot arajar arpuar. Ulaong ba ya kendai pupra na kasispa ladek bene Pynbeit uput usam Jong kihinre tuli ke Jaka ke badan hapreng ke Jingiakajia put hapreng ke Asam bat ke Meghalaya. Patchen ki Menteri Rangba ke Asam bat Meghalaya kinse kenduk biang bene Pynbeit purano uput usam Jong kini kihinre tuli ke Jaka. Habakren haginong patai kubor Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba kesorkar Asam bat Meghalaya kila poi kejing menjur kabla kenjo asyaka kendai pupra na kasispa. Bat kebasa mentah banyak Pynbeit kalong setang gombaar nilai na kasispa. Ula penpa we kejing kermen ba hakini kisni ki banwan onla banyak Pynbeit no iput usam bat shen ansalet banyak keren bat Menteri Rangba Kejela Asam Himanta Biswa Sarma bat hadirin kani kinelet lang banyak kendo Menteri Korbarri kesorkar Preng Amit Shah han New Delhi.
And we have again decided to iron out the final few issues that are pending. That in the next few days we will have another meeting with the Assam counterparts. As I said, that we have come to almost 98% agreement on all the areas, 6 areas. Another 2% to 3% is left, which we are hopeful that in the next sitting we should be able to come to a final understanding, because we expect that MHA will be and the Honorable Home Minister will be calling us for a joint meeting in the next few days. So we would like to close all these areas of differences that are there in the first 6 areas before that meeting is called. He has already told us that he will call us towards the end of this month or early next month. So we'll wait for that. But before that happens, as I said, we would like to come to a conclusion in the small areas of differences that we have. As I said, 2-3% of areas are left. Otherwise, 98% we have come to an understanding.
Hakabedai bagajing sya kenno Menteri Rangba ke Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma baulapan kengi kendon perking mentelakam na kejing sapriang ka kelam COVID-19. Nakaliang Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi bakento persaya yu baulapan kengi kendon kedai gibam don kam don jam AA benlea. Ulong bakumu Menteri Rangba Kejela dan kejing kit klik beneda na kejing sapriang ka COVID-19 tang yelade shimet nraya barok kinong syong Kejela. Ulong bahadian bulawan pai na Delhi, ula pa eksamen nila dia ula pikir bahaya la dia, rengkat bat kebabut renti yaki kendon. Ulong beladadai bukan sting, unjin dalalet benishim bentah kejeng rake kejeng dapsan posnem jong Kejela. Baru ulong baki breu ke bakan tok persaya kidi ki breu ke bam dan kam, bat ki balek klet penban ni ki mat ke badan kam jong ki bat bat jong Kejela hi barok kawai.
I don't know what the issue with this is. Well, when we're talking of border issues and while we're talking of such important aspects like 50 years, it is really sad to see that people are finding such petty issues to look at. I as Chief Minister have got huge responsibilities and works to do. And those are works that need to be done. Some things are very important to be done. But I've been very clear. I've always followed protocols. I've been somebody who has always been careful. I was somebody who on the 21st of January, knowing that I was not feeling well, I did not go in spite of not actually testing positive. If I really wanted to go, I could have gone and tested later on and taken advantage of the situation, but I did not. So therefore, I think for anybody to question my integrity and my entire commitment to this entire issue is quite sad. And I think these people have nothing better to do, those who are questioning like that, and are missing the point that there's a larger picture. I have been responsible in my own way in which I have behaved in the last few days. So therefore, I have nothing to say against this. Thank you.